Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Halim bin Johar from 3SECV. In this video, I want to share about my proposal, which is web-based driving license simulator. So for the introduction, driving the vehicle is the natural way for human to move from one place to another place. But it is illegal for human to drive the vehicle without the driving license. In order to get the driving license, we as the human must have a basic knowledge of driving by attending the driving school. But the problem is the driving school use only the book and the theory class as the resources to understand the theory of the driving. The people do not have time to practice driving since we all know in the weekday the user have to work, and only the weekend the user have free time to go to the driving school. And the third problem is the time to get the driving license will be more longer than usual. So in this proposal, I want to approach my idea, which is to have web-based driving license simulator, and we simply call it the SIM. So the SIM is the web-based approach, and the development of the project also using the web-based approach. And this and the website also using the simple and productive design to attract the user on using the website. In this project, uh, it is divided to three components, which is the car, the sign, and the drive. The car, the simulator begin with the component of the car that user must know. So the first simulator, the user will be know about the component of car itself. The second is the sign. So the simulator continue with the sign and the information behind the sign itself. And the third is the drive. So the simulator give an explanation about type of driving training on how to finish the training properly. The objective of this project is first, this website can learn more about the basic of driving license training. Second, this website will be designed using a web-based simulator for driver to understand more about the driving. And the third is the website will be test the usability of the simulator in providing lesson for driving license training. So the scope is the platform of this application is website, and it is use English as the first language. And the platform is suitable for all people, especially the user who don't have experience in driving. The platform is developed and run in the Windows 10. And the platform limits for the three part of training, which is the intersection, Z corner, and the side parking. The platform trains the driver to control steering using the mouse and keyboard as the brake pedal, and the platform limit for the car with the automatic gear system. So the project requirement for the software, I'm using VS Code for coding Photoshop to design the simulator, and the XAMPP as our prototype. The hardware, I will using the HP laptop Intel Core i3 7th generation with Windows 10 and one monitor. And the technology I will use HTML, CSS, and WebGL. So for project type, we use system development. The project domain is in web development. So the project area is the game development and human computer interaction. And target platform, I'm using web. And that's all for my presentation. I hope Doctor can understand my proposal, and thank you.